Mau Akaba, Fante Kandzea Besiwa. Welcome to this Fante lesson program. I'm Christiana. In this lesson, we will identify some adverbs used in some simple Fante sentences. What is an adverb? In Fante, we call adverb inye tamsi. Inye tamsi. In this video, we will understand an adverb as a word that describes or modifies a verb or an action. A sentence example: the boy ran. The boy ran. We are not told how the boy ran. We can only know by adding an adverb. So, let's take fast. The boy ran fast. So, let's identify the adverb in the sentence. We can clearly see that fast is the adverb in the sentence because it's modifying how the boy ran. Alright, I'm going to give you some simple sentences in English while we identify the adverbs in them. Then later, we translate them to Fante. In order not to waste time, we are starting today's lesson. Let's take the first sentence. The house is very small. The house is very small. Alright. The adverb in this sentence could be very or small. Let's translate it to Fante. Alright. Let's translate the sentence in Fante. Suar, dodow. Suar, dodow. So the adverb in the sentence is suar, dodow. Suar, dodow. Okay, let's move to the next sentence. The lights went off yesterday. The lights went off yesterday. So the adverb in this sentence is yesterday. Is yesterday. Let's translate it in Fante. Kandzea dumii ndeda. Kandzea dumii ndeda. So the adverb there is ndeda. It is an adverb of time because it tells when the lights went off, thereby describing how the lights went off. Let's take the next sentence. My uncle will come tomorrow. My uncle will come tomorrow. So, the adverb here is tomorrow. Is tomorrow. Okay, let's translate this sentence in Fante. Me wɔfa bɛba, Ɔkyena. Me wɔfa bɛba, Ɔkyena. So the adverb in the sentence is Ɔkyena. Is Ɔkyena. So the Ɔkyena, that is tomorrow, is telling us when my uncle will come. Alright, let's continue. Besiwa stays here. Besiwa stays here. So, let me ask you this question. Where does Besiwa stay? Here is telling us where Besiwa stays. Let's translate this sentence in Fante. Besiwa te ha. Besiwa te ha. So, ha is telling us where Besiwa stays. That is adverb of place. Let's continue. He or she has succeeded twice. He or she has succeeded twice. In this sentence, the adverb there is twice. Is twice. Let's translate in Fante. Oedzi, nkonyim, mprenu. So, the adverb there is mprenu. It's telling us how the boy or the girl has succeeded. The pronoun he or she in Fante is or. Let's move on to the next sentence. The woman is very beautiful. The woman is very beautiful. So, the adverb in the sentence is beautiful. Let's say it in Fante. Basia no wɔyɛ papaapa. Basia no wɔyɛ papaapa. So, the adverb in the sentence is papaapa. Papaapa is telling us how the woman looks. I go to school every day. I go to school every day is our next sentence. Alright, so the adverb in this sentence is every day, because every day is telling us how many times you go to school. Okay, now let's say it in Fante. Who calls school? Dabiara. Who calls school? Dabiara. So, the dabiara is the adverb in the sentence, what stands for every day in English. Let's continue. My grandmother arrives home early. My grandmother arrives home early. So, the adverb in the sentence is early. It's telling us when my grandmother goes to the house. Let's say it in Fante. Me nana Basia boduu fie ntsɛm. Me nana Basia boduu fie ntsɛm. So, the ntsɛm is the adverb and it's telling us when my grandmother goes to the house. Let's take our last sentence. A snake swallowed an egg today. A snake swallowed an egg today. So the adverb there is today. It's telling when the snake swallowed the egg. Let's say it in Fante. Abowatsena mini nkyirefuwa inde. Abowatsena mini nkyirefuwa inde. So the adverb there is inde. It's telling us when the snake swallowed the egg. Pretty shortly, we are ending the lesson for today. I would love to see you again on this interesting channel in order for us to learn again. Yeah, let me remind you, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't done so. I'm Christiana. See you again on this channel. Bye bye.